Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals and snacks for the high-fat, low-protein meals that will definitely ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet is, guys. It's to satisfy the cravings of high fatty foods and sugary snacks so you will not miss them. All my recipes got a fraction of the calories, a lot of protein, and a lot of flavor. If you are eating chicken, rice, and veggies and you do not get tired of it and you like it, this video may not be for you. Props to you, more chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for 99% of the rest of us, we will get tired of it sooner or later. Don't get me wrong, that's the OG diet that's still working to this day. I notice when you eat the same thing back to back, that's when you crave all the food that you gave up to stay fit and lean. This diet has a lot of the recipes that you will miss. If you're watching this video, it's because we have similar goals, and that is to stay fit or get fit. Our goal is not to eat good, our goal is to be as fit as possible. The anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still being fit. I promise you guys, this diet has a lot of recipes that will crush most of your cravings. So in today's episode, we're going to be crushing one of your cookie cravings with anabolic red velvet cookies. I promise you guys are in for a real treat. Okay guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first step as usual, get your food scale ready with the bowl. Okay guys, first ingredient, we're gonna need 60 grams of vanilla whey protein. Okay guys, 60 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 60 grams of instant oats. 60 grams, guys. Okay guys, remember, 60 grams, okay? Our next ingredient, we're gonna need 14 grams of red velvet jello pudding mix. All right guys, 14 grams. Remember guys, 14 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener. Remember guys, 10 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 2 grams of baking powder. Remember, 2 grams. Okay guys, 2 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 1 gram of salt. Remember guys, 1 gram, okay? Remember, 1 gram, okay guys? Okay, before we put the wet ingredients, make sure you mix the dry ingredients first, okay guys? Mix it good guys, okay? Mix it well, and then we'll put the wet ingredients, okay guys? When you're done mixing, it should look similar to this. Okay guys, let's get to the next step. Next ingredient, we're gonna need 180 grams of 100% pure pumpkin. Okay guys, remember, 180 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 6 grams of vanilla extract. Remember guys, 6 grams. It's easier to mix if you put the vanilla in the pumpkin, all right? 6 grams, alrighty. Okay guys, start mixing it well until everything is incorporated thoroughly, okay guys? Mix it well. And we still gotta add one more thing. Alright guys, we should be looking like that, and we still got 2 more ingredients to add, so let's get to the next step. Next step, we're gonna need 8 to 10 drops of red food coloring. Remember, 8 to 10 drops, guys. Remember, guys, 8 to 10 drops, okay? Start mixing, okay, guys? Okay, guys, this is how we're looking at, and I bet you if you try this, you probably eat the whole thing without baking it. It is that good, I swear. There's one more step. All right, let's go. Next step, we're gonna need 14 grams of white chocolate, no sugar added. Okay guys, remember 14 grams. Remember guys, 14 grams, okay? Next step, give everything a little mix for the chocolates to be evenly spread. Okay guys, we should be looking like that, and let's get to the next step. Alright, next step, get a baking pan with some parchment paper and spray the parchment paper with a little bit of non-stick spray, okay guys? Alright. Okay guys, this recipe makes about 8 cookies, so You get a spoon, and one heaping spoon should be one cookie. Okay, guys? All right, let's go. All right. Don't try this. You might eat it all right away. Okay, it makes about 8 cookies. It should look similar to that, guys. They're not gonna be all perfect and everything, but don't forget to preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And you're gonna put these bad boys in there for 8 to 10 minutes, okay, guys? All right, 8 is more gooey and 10 is more firmer, but they're both really delicious, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. All right, remember 8 to 10 minutes. I would try 8 first and see if you like it like gooey. And if not, do 10. I mean, you could do longer too, but I think 8 is the best. Okay, guys, these just came out of the oven, and let them sit for about 10 minutes, and then you're ready to enjoy them, guys. And man, I swear to God, you guys are in for a real treat. All right, let them rest for 10 minutes, and we will be right back. All right. Okay, guys, it's about 10 minutes, and this is how they came out. These things are so delicious, guys. Let's try these out. But first, a word from our sponsor. Okay, guys, let's try one of these bad boys out and let's see how good they are. Well, I already know how good they are. I've been making this for like 3 weeks straight. Still not tired of it. I love these cookies. I know if you try them, you're gonna be like, what the heck, this is a diet? And it's really a diet, and it'll make you lose weight and gain muscle. And all right, let's try one of these bad boys. Let's see which one. This one right here. This one looks good. Put this over there. Let's try this bad boy out. Look at this right there. Red velvet anabolic cookie. All right. Guys, oh my God. I know I said to try out my recipe, but you should. But these ones right here, man. They say 8 out of 10. Nah, this is 9 out of 10. This thing is so good, guys. Oh my God, I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Please try it, and oh my God, let me take another bite. I'm gonna finish the whole thing. I usually save some for later, but not this one. Guys, I'm gonna finish the whole thing. I haven't ate all day, so I was about to eat, so. Oh my God. Guys, please make this recipe. Comment below how much you like this recipe. Guys, I'm gonna try another bite. I'm gonna finish the whole cookie, I swear. This thing is really, really delicious. This thing does not taste like a diet, guys. I even gave it to a lot of people that hate dieting, and they didn't even know anything about it. They didn't even think it was goofy or didn't taste good or anything like that. They just thought it was a good cookie, and it's gooey and everything is still warm. You could leave them cold. They're still gonna be delicious. Please make this recipe, guys. You guys will not regret it. If there's one recipe I want you guys to make, is this one. Please make it. I'm gonna finish this one. Oh my God. All right, now to the macros. Okay, guys, please make these cookies. I know you'll love them, but I know one thing that you might like more than these cookies, and that's being fit. But who knows, maybe not, because they're so delicious. Okay, guys, if you make these cookies and you eat all 8 of them exactly the way I made them, okay, for all 8 cookies, it's 608 calories, 57 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, 15 grams of fiber, and 80 grams of carbs. And that's for all of them. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay, guys, if you just eat one, which I doubt it, it's gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one, especially in this recipe. Okay, guys, if you just eat one, which I doubt, it's gonna be 76 calories, 7 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of carbs. And that's only if you eat one, which I doubt. If you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. All right then. Okay, guys, when you guys make these cookies, please comment below how much you like them, and also comment below how much weight you started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay, guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work very hard on it, guys. If you guys want to see another one of my recipes or make it, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, always strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.